Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have a single, versatile tool that could handle every aspect of design and engineering? A tool that could streamline the process from conceptual design to finished product all in one platform? Look no further than Fusion 360. Developed by Autodesk, Fusion 360 is a marvel in the world of computer-aided design, engineering, and manufacturing. This software brings together an array of features under one umbrella, making it a favorite among engineers, designers, and makers. One of Fusion 360's key features is Parametric Modeling. This feature allows users to create three-dimensional models where dimensions and relationships automatically adjust when changes are made to the design. This flexibility saves precious time and maintains design consistency and accuracy. Then there is assembly design. With Fusion 360, you can create complex assemblies of multiple components and simulate their movements and interactions. This capability enables you to visualize how parts will fit and work together before physical prototyping, reducing costly errors. But what about testing and optimizing those designs? Fusion 360 has you covered with its simulation and analysis tools. These tools perform finite element analysis and computational fluid dynamic simulations, helping you optimize designs for structural and thermal performance. Fusion 360 takes innovation to another level with its Generative Design feature. All you have to do is input your design constraints, and the software generates multiple design options. This often results in innovative and lightweight structures that might not have been conceived with traditional design methods. This software is not just about design and engineering. Fusion 360 also has integrated computer-aided manufacturing tools. These tools generate toolpaths for CNC machining, three-dimensional printing, and other manufacturing processes, making it a seamless transition from design to production. Collaboration is at the heart of Fusion 360. Its cloud-based collaboration feature enables multiple team members to work on the same project simultaneously and track changes. This feature also allows designs to be stored in the cloud, making them accessible from anywhere and fostering easy collaboration. Fusion 360 also includes rendering capabilities to create realistic three-dimensional renderings and animations of your designs. This feature gives you the ability to visualize and present your designs in a highly realistic manner. To top it off, Fusion 360 supports a wide range of third-party add-ins and extensions, extending its functionality for specialized tasks. Furthermore, Autodesk offers free licenses of Fusion 360 for students, educators, and hobbyists, making it widely accessible for learning and personal projects. In summary, Fusion 360 is a versatile tool that combines various aspects of product design and development into a single platform. From parametric modeling to assembly design, simulation and analysis to generative design, computer-aided manufacturing to collaboration, rendering and visualization to cloud-based storage, Fusion 360 has it all. And with the added support for add-ins and extensions, it's a tool that can adapt to any design or engineering challenge you throw at it. So, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, Fusion 360 has you covered.